Hello viewers, this Now Too Fast here. Inside this case is a battery analyzer tester from the company TOPDON. This is their AB201 model. Now in the past I have reviewed other battery testers, but the nice thing with this tool is it has a built-in printer so it can print the test result. Let me open this up and I'll show you what this battery analyzer looks like. User manual. Here's the TOPDON AB201. USB cable. 2 extra rolls of thermal paper. Let me go over some of the features on this AB201. It supports 6 different languages: English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian. You can use it to test different battery types. For example, it can test lead-acid battery, gel battery, AGM battery, or spiral battery. This tool is able to test the CCA or cold cranking amp of a battery ranging from 100 to 2000. Besides testing the health of the battery, it can also perform a cranking test and test the charging system. Let's have a closer look at this AB201. Right in the middle we have this large 2.5-inch LCD display. Below that you have this keypad with the up select, down select, previous menu, menu button, and OK button. At the very top is where you can print the test result using this thermal paper you see right here. To open up this top compartment to access the thermal paper, there's a latch right here. Flip this open, and here's the thermal paper. And remember, it also comes with 2 additional rolls of thermal paper, so this will last you a very long time. At the bottom of the unit, you have 2 wires that come out. It goes to these 2 alligator clips. This is what you'll use to connect to the car battery. This tool is also very compact. You can easily fit this in your toolbox. So let's take this to the car and we'll try out this analyzer. Now using this battery analyzer is very simple. The unit itself does not require any battery inside to power it. You simply connect the tool to the car battery and that'll power this tool. Connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal and the negative clamp to the negative terminal. The unit will turn on. Once the tool is powered on, this is the home screen. Now if you press the menu button, you have 2 selections. You can change the language and adjust the time. To go back, press the back button. Now if you press the OK button, a menu will come up. The first menu item is battery test. Let's do that right now. Now for this test, you don't need to start the vehicle. So go ahead and press OK. You need to choose the type of battery you have. Now most car batteries are regular flooded type, and that's what I have in this vehicle. Press OK. CCA is cold cranking amp. You need to enter the CCA rating for this battery. Select OK. If you look at the sticker on this battery, there's a CCA rating. This one is rated at 730. Use the up and down arrow to change the value. So I need to enter 730. Press OK. Now it's testing the battery. And here's the battery test result. The health is 100%. It measures 775 cold cranking amp, so that's more than the 730 CCA that's rated on this battery. The charge level is 98%, and the battery is good. As you can see, it's very easy to read and understand the health of your battery. When you're done, go back. Press OK. Now let's select number 2, cranking test. Press OK. It asks you to start the engine. The time it takes to crank is 3.9 seconds, and the cranking is normal. It measures 11.11 volts. Let's go back. Item number 3 is charging test. Select OK. Now I ask you to increase RPM to 2500 and keep it for 5 seconds. After you do that, press enter to continue. Now press OK. With the charging test result, it shows you the loaded and unloaded voltage. 14.05 volt and 14.36 volt. The ripple is 30 millivolt. Charging is normal. Let's go back. Menu 4, review data. So you can see the test data. Let's go back. Number 5, print data. Press OK to print. And you see it prints very quickly. And here's the test result. Now the last menu item is export data. You can export this using the USB cable to a computer. After you're done with the testing, remove the 2 cables. Now if you power this on again, the unit will remember the last test you did. Select OK to go into menu. Number 4 is review data. Press OK, and it'll recall the last test it did. In order for you to export the data to a computer, you do need to visit TOPDON website and go to their support page and download the RT Battery 201 export data software file, which is right here. After you download it, extract it onto your computer and install the software called HL-340. Connect the tester to your PC. You'll see it power on. Open up your device manager and look under ports. You'll see the USB serial CH340. Right now it's on COM4. In the folder where you extracted the files earlier, there's a exe file with its name, version 2.1. Open this up. You'll notice the user interface has these question marks. The reason is because this software was written in Chinese and my Windows operating system is in English. That's why it's not displaying the words properly, but I'll show you how to export the data to the software so you can print it. First, you want to select the COM port that you're using. For mine is COM4. Now you want to go to your AB201 tester and go into the menu and select export data. Here you see the exported data. You can copy this and paste it to a notepad or Word document so you can print it. So for example, in this Word document, I'll paste it, and now I can save it or print it. As you can see, this TOPDON AB201 battery analyzer is a great tool to have to test your battery, cranking system, and your charging system. In less than a minute, you can test all 3 systems to find out what problem you're having. Something like this is great for your do-it-yourselfers at home, and also for technicians that work on cars every day. Now, at the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $140, which is a lot less than other comparable testers with printing function. Now, if you're interested in getting this, I will include the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.